About 7 kilometers from Doboj, nestled in the pine forests at the foot of Ozren Mountain, lies Goransko Lake. Created in the 1970s during a reforestation initiative by the Gorani movement, this small yet enchanting reservoir was formed by damming the Oshava stream. Surrounded by cool shade and crystal clear water, it's a beloved local retreat, perfect for summer escapes, family camping, barbecues, or a peaceful bicycle ride. At just 200 meters long, 50 meters wide, and around 5 meters deep, the lake remains a beautiful oasis with naturally filtered, drinkable spring water from Slana Voda. So today, join me as we ride through the forest, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and discover this hidden gem where nature, history, and relaxation meet. Surrounded by picnic spots, a lakeside restaurant, and a mini camper's camp, it offers a perfect escape from the city. A leafy interpretive trail connects it to the nearby Preslika area, sharing stories of the land, water, and forest that shaped this place. A short interpretive trail connects the lake to Preslika Recreation Area, where you'll find picnic spots, playgrounds, barbecue areas, a restaurant, and even a mini zoo. In summer, the water is full with swimmers, and in winter it turns into a quiet snowscape. Sometimes, you might even catch a local festival celebrating art and music beside the lake. Tucked away in the small village of Sočkovac, just a short drive from Brikanica in Bosnia and Herzegovina, there's an old brick factory that's seen better days. Built back when Yugoslavia was one country, this place was part of a big push to make stuff like bricks for houses, schools, and all kinds of buildings. It's right near the Sočkovac River, and it was a key spot for the local community. Back in the 60s and 70s, Yugoslavia was all about building up its cities and towns. The Sočkovac factory wasn't the biggest in the country, there were larger ones, but it was a big deal around here. People worked hard here, and the factory was a lifeline for families, putting food on the table and keeping the community going. But things got rough in the 1980s. Yugoslavia hit a major economic slump, prices were skyrocketing, and money was worth less every day. By the early 90s, when the country started breaking apart, the wars in Bosnia made everything worse. This place also got caught up in the fighting, and the factory pretty much shut down. No more bricks, no more jobs, just silence. Now, the old brick factory is just a shell of what it used to be. The red brick walls are falling apart, and nature's moving in, with weeds and vines everywhere. For the folks in this village, this wasn't just a factory, it was their pride. It's where people worked, laughed, and built a life. When it closed, and especially after the war hit, the village felt it hard. Families had to leave, and the scars of those tough years are still there. But the ruins tell a story of people who kept going, no matter what. Walking through these ruins, you're seeing a piece of history, a place that helped build a country and a community. The Sočkovac brick factory might be quiet now, but it's still part of this land's story.